Okay guys, so we just received a brand new seatbelt for this Mazda 2016 CX5, and here should be the part number, just in case if you're looking for this, to the driver's side seatbelt to a 2016 Mazda CX5. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see how it looks like. So we got a smaller box. So whenever you're working on a seatbelt, you'll notice there's a lot of signs, danger, because these are gas loaded, so it could deploy, it cause some injury if you mishandle it. So just make sure you handle it with care, okay? Let's open this up. Instruction. Here should be our new seat belt. Okay, so here is our brand new seat belt. As in our last episode that we had taken this unit apart rather, and showing you guys that the spring was broken in 4 different spots. So this is our brand new seat belt. Here it is. Also has the gas charge for the ABS and the SRS rather. Okay, and let's compare this to our O belt that we have. This is our O belt that does not retract, that the spring was broken off. Took off the cap to show you the spring was broken off. So this is our old seat belt. So just to save us time, we want to just make sure, double check our plugs. It's all the same. Make sure we have the same. This one should show. This one does not show. Usually it should tells you that it's a left-handed seat belt, as on this one. Yeah, so it should say it's like a left hand here. So we're working on the driver's side, so it should be a left hand seat belt. Actually, I just saw this number, so the new one does also shows that left hand as well. So okay, and then there's also another plug up here that we want to match up. Make sure that it is the right plug. Okay, and we have a match. And let's go ahead and we'll show you the installations of the seatbelt process. Okay, so we are back and we're installing this brand new seatbelt unit on the driver's side back onto the vehicle. So what we want to do first is we want to install this whole retractable seat belt unit at the bottom first, and there's actually a little hook that sort of kind of give you an extra hand that you want to just hook on here, and then you could be hand free. And then we can install our 14 millimeter, which is down here, and our 10 millimeter, which is up here. Okay, so we want to secure that first. Okay, and then we want to install the harness. So we just want to work in this area first, and then we'll move on to this lower area. So we want to just make sure we plug everything on there. Okay, so make sure we push this plug back on here. Let's open this up a little bit. Okay. Go, it's in there. Make sure we push the black clip in place. Okay, make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, and then we'll move on to our low unit. This unit is pretty straightforward. Just slide this unit in, and there's a 14 millimeter plug here as well. We're gonna start this and make sure we have this connection put back in there. There we go. Make sure the black clip is on there as well, and then we'll come back and then we'll install this cover later on. So let's move on to, and so we'll deal with this upper 14 millimeter up here. So we're going to secure this up here and install this 14 millimeter. Okay, and we will install this cover. It's actually cover the bolt. It's just a cosmetic cover. And let me point out, this is actually also adjustable as well for different driver height. Okay, so you can, it's a multiple point adjustable. Okay, right there. And then we're ready for the panel, the big panel. So let's remove this weather strip one more time. I temporarily reinstalled this so when I close the door, it wouldn't damage the weather strip. You know, it wouldn't crease it a certain way, so it makes life easier. So let's remove that, and then we'll remove this front portion as well. Just probably like about 3/4 way up. You really don't have to go all the way to the top because this panel is pretty stationary. So we'll install this big panel here. Remember, there was like a couple guy, basically like a clip here. I remember there's one here and there's one here. So just make sure that's back in place. Okay, and then we will reinstall this weather strip. it's easier if you just put your hand from the top and just slowly just kind of go down with your palm of your hand, and it should be just back in place, nice and neat. Right there. Okay. Okay. And install this other panel. Pretty simple. There's just a few clips here. We just gotta just make sure that's secure. That's it. And then we install this cover. And this clip here, guys, pretty simple. Flat screwdriver, just kind of lift it up a little bit, and you can just install this little clip here, plastic clip, and just push it in. Pretty straightforward. And that's it. We'll just clean up the seatbelt a little bit. Okay guys, so now we have a fully functional working seatbelt. Okay, simple set. Takes about maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and you know, it's pretty much anyone can do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so just to complete our job and to make our clients happy, we just want to kind of give it a final shine touch interior detail with this Maguire Supreme Shine. Okay, just spray it on the cloth here, and just make sure you get rid of all the fingerprints, hand grease and whatnot, because it's such a new vehicle. I want our clients to be happy. Okay, I'm gonna go hit the front panel.